Original Top Gun was the most iconic film of the 80s. Numerous little-known Nintendo and PlayStation Top Gun video games tried to entertain fans for nearly 3 decades. 36 years later, and after postponing its release due to coronavirus crisis, Top Gun Maverick has hit the theaters. With record-breaking $160.5 million, it's on a highway to become a highest-grossing movie of the year. After seeing this film yesterday in theater, I wish I could go back in time and watch it again for the very first time. It was brilliant, probably the best film of 2022 and the most groundbreaking sequel ever made. Seriously, the sound of jet fighter's engine started vibrating the chair, sending chills straight down my spine. That's why this film is an absolutely must-see in a movie theater. The opening of the film blew my mind immediately because it's honoring the original Top Gun by playing the same original theme song and Danger Zone by Kenny Loggins while jet fighters are preparing for a flight. So Tom Cruise plays Captain Pete Maverick Mitchell, who's on a mission to train a group of younger fighter pilots, and among them is the son of Maverick's friend Goose from the original film. Maverick got his orders from a friend and a former rival, Admiral Iceman Kazansky, played by Val Kilmer, who's another star from original film that returns along with Tom Cruise. Unfortunately, Val Kilmer is surviving a throat cancer in real life and is losing his voice, but he still reprises the role in a film as Iceman, even though he's present in only one scene. Rest of the cast has done a surprisingly great job playing their characters. Miles Teller plays Bradley Bradshaw, Goose's son. He's not in good relationship with Maverick and tries to avoid him throughout the film only because Maverick feels like a father figure to him and wants to protect him to avoid losing him like he lost his father Goose. Kelly McGillis doesn't return as Maverick's love interest because of kinda obvious reason. She said, "I'm old and I'm fat and I look age appropriate." But even Meg Ryan doesn't return as Goose's wife, Carol Bradshaw, but her role probably wasn't important for a film that much. Maverick's love interest is instead Benny Benjamin, played by Jennifer Connelly. Glenn Powell plays Lieutenant Jake Hangman Saracen, whose behavior reminds me so much of Iceman's from original film, and I knew this guy was from Texas the very first moment I heard his accent. Everything rest about this film is brilliant. In modern day, when every action film uses CGI, Top Gun Maverick's director Joseph Kosinski decided to go with nothing but practical effects. Everything was shot with real fighter jets flying, which is really remarkable. The whole cast except Tom Cruise probably never sat in a fighter jet before, so Tom designed a 3-month training course to prepare the whole cast for shooting the film. Director Joseph said that they were very aware of a new level of complexity and challenges during fighter jet scenes. It took them 15 months just to figure out where to place the cameras inside jets. Even though Maverick serves as a sequel to the first Top Gun, which was released back in '86 during Ronald Reagan's presidency, the sequel is a reflection of its time. A lot of things has changed since the 80s. For example, the threat of drone programs highlights the future where we probably won't need pilots to fly jets anymore. Guys, there are a bunch of other great things to say about this film, considering how amazing it is. Its formula also reminds me a bit of Rocky franchise. In Rocky 4, Apollo Creed was killed by Ivan Drago, and then in the film Creed, Rocky feels the need to take care of Adonis, his best friend's son. And now in Top Gun Maverick doesn't only feel the need for speed, but also a responsibility of taking care of Rooster, his best friend's son. I expected cliches in Maverick, but there really weren't any. The film was so exciting and kept me whole time at the edge of a seat. Guys, I would highly suggest you to go and see it while still in the movie theater. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I don't usually do film reviews, but if this video gets more than 10 likes, I might do some other reviews. And like I said, go buy tickets, go now to movie theater and watch Top Gun Maverick. You won't be disappointed. See ya.